Today I'm going to show you how to create storyboards using AI. AI tools like Bing AI and ChatGPT can assist in breaking down scenes from scripts, helping artists and creators visualize their storyboards quickly. To generate images, we'll use the DALL-E 3 plugin. Go to Bing AI and choose a conversation style. Paste your script or scene description in the chat, and ask for a storyboard breakdown with clear instructions for camera movements and scene composition. If the initial output isn't satisfactory, change the conversation style or add more detailed prompts. For example, add camera angles or include character blocking. Iterate by providing feedback to the AI on missing elements or incorrect formatting. You can try pasting the same script with detailed instructions about camera movements, shot descriptions, and blocking into ChatGPT. Adjust the responses by prompting for finer details. Now use a DALL-E 3 plugin within ChatGPT or Bing AI to generate the storyboard panels. Fine-tune the generated images to match your vision and scenes. When using AI tools, be as specific as possible. Mention exact camera movements, angles, and types of shots. Use different conversation modes to find what works best for each scene. AI tools will respond better if you include direction on how to interpret the script into a visual format. Include descriptions of lighting, mood, and emotional tone in the scene. Once AI generates the storyboard, you or your artist can edit or adjust the panels to refine them further. The AI outputs might lack detail if the script is too. Avoid this by using specifics like camera movement, transitions, and blocking. And make sure to clarify how emotions should translate into visual cues, for example lighting or angles. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.